The 3 best clean eating breakfast recipes to make in your microwave. The microwave is a freaking marvel, people. It cooks more quickly than other methods, preserves more nutrients, and is so easy to use that it obliterates all excuses for not cooking at home. Maybe you're already using your microwave for heating up leftovers or popping up a movie night snack. But what about the most important meal of the day? I'm here to argue that if you're not using your microwave to make breakfast, you're doing it wrong. Don't believe me? Take a break from that tired avocado toast and try these crazy delicious microwavable breakfasts. Clean eggs Florentine, poached eggs aren't just that fancy, expensive thing you order at brunch. With a little help from your trusty microwave, they're a totally doable weekday breakfast. But be careful, in my early testing, I experienced a very messy explosion because I cooked an egg too long. Start on the low end of cooking time and gradually increase, especially if you have a heavy-duty, powerful microwave. Serves 1 LG tomato. 1 C tightly packed baby spinach. 2 eggs. 1 cut tomato into 2 large slices about 1 inch in width. Place on serving plate. Reserve remaining tomato for future use. 2. Place spinach and 1 teaspoon water into medium bowl. Cover with plate and microwave until spinach is wilted but still bright green, about 30 seconds. Drain and stack on top of tomato slices. 3. Fill same bowl with 1 cup water. Gently crack in 1 egg, making sure egg is completely submerged. Cover with plate and microwave until white is set and yolk reaches desired doneness, 45 seconds to 1 minute. Remove egg with slotted spoon and place on top of 1 tomato spinach stack. Repeat with remaining egg. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Caroline Pradiero, crepes in the microwave. I know, I was suspicious, too. But this is totally real. I first saw the idea on a microwave cooking blog for college students called Zap Eat Repeat, but I wanted to give the recipe a clean makeover with some more sophisticated flavors. The result? Pure magic. Serves 2 1/2 C frozen berries. I used wild blueberries. 1/4 pat unsalted butter. 1/4 C milk, room temperature. 1/4 C whole wheat flour. 1 egg, room temperature. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 drop vanilla extract. Pinch of salt. 1/2 C ricotta cheese. Lemon zest, for garnish, optional. 1. Place berries in small bowl and microwave until thawed, about 30 seconds, stirring halfway through. Set aside. 2. In medium bowl, microwave butter until melted, about 20 seconds. Add milk, flour, egg, sugar, vanilla, and salt. Whisk with fork until no lumps remain. 3. Lightly coat large plate with cooking spray. Spread 1/8 C of batter on center of plate to form 6 inches circle. Microwave until cooked through, about 45 seconds. Set cooked crepe aside and repeat 3 more times using remaining batter, adding more cooking spray if necessary. 4. Divide crepes between 2 serving plates and fill each with equal amounts ricotta. Fold up sides of crepes so edges overlap on top. Spoon half of blueberries over each plate and garnish with lemon zest, if using. Caroline Pradiero, protein-rich quinoa is way more satisfying than oatmeal, but it's kind of a hassle to make on the stove. Utilize the microwave to cook it quickly, then add some tasty mix-ins for an insanely filling breakfast bowl. A word of caution, the longer cooking time will make your quinoa bowl extremely hot. Handle with care. Serves 1 1/2 C frozen pitted cherries. 1/4 C quinoa. Pinch of salt. 1/4 C roughly chopped walnuts. 1 tablespoon shredded unsweetened coconut plus more for garnish. 1. Place cherries in small bowl and microwave until thawed, about 30 seconds, stirring halfway through. Set aside. 2. Place 1/2 cup water, quinoa, and salt in medium bowl. Cover with plate and microwave 4 minutes, stir, then microwave 2 minutes more. Stir and let stand 1 minute. 3. Stir in walnuts and coconut. Top with cherries and garnish with additional coconut, if desired.